Hey guys, welcome to IPINKIT. My name is Ingrid. I'm excited for today's video. I've been wanting to share this recipe with all of you, but after several taste tests, I finally got it. Today, I'm going to be sharing with you how I make chocolate tarts. Oh my goodness, look at this! Aren't they adorable? They happen to be gluten-free, soy-free, nut-free, vegan, free from all of my allergens. So if you want to learn how to make them, then keep on watching this video. Let's start making the crust. For that, I'm going to be soaking 6 dates in warm water for 5 minutes. Next, I proceed to remove the pit and also the skin of the dates. They're gonna end up looking like little caramels. If you have already made oat flour, you can use that. If not, go ahead and blend a cup of oats. The reason why I blend mine is because I get gluten-free oats. So making it at home ensures me that my flour is going to be gluten-free. Once blended, go ahead and add 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder, 1 tablespoon of applesauce, 1 tablespoon of olive oil, and your dates. I'm using my blender for this step, but you can also use a food processor. Just make sure that everything is fully integrated. Now I will transfer the crust mix into a small bowl. I mix it with 4 tablespoons of date-infused water, and I knead my dough until it looks like this. Next, I divide my dough in 2. That way I can easily flatten both with my rolling pin. I got these small chocolate tart molds which I love, and I'm gonna link them below so you guys know where I got them from. I love to grease mine with coconut oil, but you can use vegan butter or olive oil if you happen to be allergic. As you're seeing in the video, I go ahead and insert the mold underneath the dough. I shape each one of them to make sure there are no cracks, and I go ahead and repeat the same step until I get 6 crusts. One little tip I will give you: in case that you end up with extra dough, you can go ahead and make a mini cookie and bake it just like everything else at 350 Fahrenheit degrees for 20 minutes. In the meantime, let's start preparing the chocolate tart filling. For that, you're going to need 1 cup of coconut milk, half a cup of water, 1/8 of a cup of maple syrup, 2 tablespoons of tapioca flour, half a cup of cocoa powder, 2 tablespoons of powdered sugar. I use the organic one made with tapioca flour rather than cornstarch. 1 teaspoon of arrowroot flour. You may replace this with more tapioca flour, but honestly, I love the texture that it gives it. 1 teaspoon of agar-agar powder, 2 tablespoons of coconut oil, and a pinch of salt. What I love about this mix is that you can even see how creamy and thick it looks when you're blending it. For some weird reason, I lost the clip where I transfer everything from the blender to the pot, but you know how to do this step. Then let's cook on medium heat for 5 minutes. You're gonna need to constantly stir because of the amount of starches that this mix has. To know when it's ready, it's gonna look like this. It will have a very glue texture. Alright, now it's time to assemble everything. I went ahead and let my crust cool down for 15 minutes. This next step is super simple. All you need to do is add the chocolate filling. I use the back of the knife to make sure that I smooth all of the top surface. Once they're done, all you need to do is refrigerate this for a minimum of 4 hours. I'm gonna let mine overnight. Oh, look at these tarts. Ooh, they are so good. Honestly, you can serve them like this, but I want to be a little extra, so I'm gonna decorate them. For garnishing, I went ahead and melted some cocoa butter, mixed it with cocoa powder, and added a little bit of sugar. If you want to make things a lot simpler, all you need to do is melt some chocolate chips and add a little bit of coconut oil. Apart from the chocolate drizzle, I'm gonna go ahead and add some coconut. You gotta do this very quickly because the tarts happen to be very cold, so your chocolate is going to harden very quickly. Well, and as simple as that, we have made chocolate tarts. Vegan and allergy friendly. Alright. Favorite part of the video? Obviously getting to try them. So the crust has been made with oats and dates, which I love. And then the filling happens to be very chocolatey rich. Chocolatey. Just because it doesn't have gluten. So now, let me give it a bite. Can we do a close-up? There you go. Oh my god. Oof. I'm so happy. It is so good. I've had this in Paul, in Paris. There's a coffee shop called Paul. Literally. There you go. But now it happens to be allergy friendly and vegan. I'm so excited. I can't wait for you guys to make it. Do I have any chocolate? No. I'm good. I'm gonna edit out that part. Or maybe not. Well, but if you guys want to keep learning how to make allergy-friendly and vegan recipes, then make sure to subscribe. All you need to do is click this red button on your screen, hit the bell once if you want to receive a notification every time I upload a video. If you would love to get the ingredient recipe of this recipe, then my blog link is right here. If you want to see more recipes, you can also follow me on Instagram as well as on TikTok. I can't wait to continue to share more recipes next week. Love you all so much. Bye guys!